Good morning, guys. So today we are starting our trail, and it's a very good morning, and it's a good gesture that we have seen 50 to 60 deers in front of us. But I hope these are not visible here. There are total 50 to 60 deers. There, you can see their eyes; they are shining. There are many, but they are not visible. See, there are some deers, but they are not visible here. There are almost 50 to 60 deers here, but there nothing is visible. We are starting our trail right now, and let's see where we will reach. Okay, come on. There is a low light, and the land is mashy because of the rain. We will move inside slowly. So this will act as a wiper because there are many spiders in the jungle which keep on making their web. So be alert, huh? Just look at right and left. If there is you might encounter snakes. So you have to be snakes. You don't know what is snake?
No, encountering snake, what is that?
Encounter means you will face, you will see.
Okay.
This is a marshy land, so please be careful. It's beautiful day out. The light is low, and we can move. Aru, be behind me, not ahead, because you don't look at right and left when you walk. We can hear the birds singing. Just check if you can see the pug marks.
Pug
See,
mark?
there is something here, but I don't know.
Snake.
No. Pug marks. I don't know what it is. Doesn't look like pug mark.
Leopard?
No. It's not leopard. Leopardचा pug mark distinct असायला पाहिजे, but it was not. It was so deep. It is not a leopard's pug mark.
Okay.
It was a pug mark, but I don't know whether it was pug mark. I have a doubt because it was very deep. See now, here you can see there are
Big pug mark.
this could be of deers.
Yeah. Two.
See, there are very distinct one.
Yeah.
These are very distinct.
Deer. Who can beat it?
Not these are not of leopard. These are herbivorous animals only. They are everywhere. So it might be their route, but there are very few. So in jungle especially, there are many. So be careful. Watch everything right and left. Right, left, up, down, 360 view. So there are all monkeys. You know, if there is a tiger or a leopard nearby, then what will do? What monkey will do?
Attack.
No.
I don't know. I'm not sure about it.
Monkey will keep more noise.
Monkey will?
Monkey will make more noise.
Okay. To invite his friends?
No, to alert a jungle.
Yeah, just that. To alert his friends and birds and...
He will just alert the people. There is
Lion.
some predator.
पप्पा तो आवाज करणार ना पण बोलणार की तो टायगर आलाय.
नाही, त्याचा आवाज एवढा आहे ना, but he will make noise.
That water spring.
I can hear the water stream.
I also.
So we will go straight. I can see that also.
Dams built by. Yes, we have go there. Last time.
Wow, see the roots of this particular tree.
It's like the one in Harry Potter. Everything is just
Wow.
twisted. Yes. आपण झाडाला कधी रूट यायला लागलो?
No, it is not a tree actually. It is a mixture of this creeper and a bush.
Okay.
See, it is taking support there of a big plant, and it is growing up and up. Come on, Aru, don't go ahead, man. How many times I need to tell you?
Only one.
Only one. I hope in my vlog I told you 1,000 times.
How then not? One time. Okay.
Don't argue. Keep quiet and enjoy the nature.
Okay.
See, we have seen the water stream. Now we have to cross this, so our shoes will no mess up. Be careful.
This water stream is right there.
Wow. So this is beautiful.
Let's go there.
No, we will go here inside. We will go deep inside today. So wait, Aru, come with me. Wait, Aru, come with me. So observation is more important. What is the problem? Wait here, let him come. Balance yourself. You can go from there also, or you can use this. I feel this is better. Wait here, let me cross and then you cross. Let me cross first. I think Aru need help. Wait, Aru. Wait, Aru, I will help you. I said wait, Aru. Be careful. Lot of tables here. Crystal clear water.
Look at that table. Pebbles and stones.
Be careful while walking.
Stones in pebble and pebbles in stones. Pebbles and stones, pebbles.
Keep your eyes open, wide open, and ear. Because this is deep jungle. This is river sand. How soft it is. This is river sand.
I have to
Chalo.
take it. Stones in
Come on. We will go ahead. So it's a happy moment. We have seen around 50 to 60 deers in the morning, but unable to catch the view in mobile because there was very low light. I am very happy to come here because there is very less human interference in this jungle.
Daddy, I come here.
They must be coming here to drink water.
Let's drink the water. Okay.
Be careful, I said.
And just because of them, we found this way. आपण ट्रेकिंग स्टिकला नाही उचलू शकत.
No, this is not trekking stick. This is a selfie stick. What we are using right now.
Video stick?
Yes, we can use it for making videos. So another beautiful spot what we have got here. I think you will enjoy here. There is this is the spot. Is this okay?
Can we go to more deep water?
We will go next time, no?
But I can't swim out here.
That you feel. Just go deep inside. It's deep there.
No.
It's deep. You can swim here or you can swim here. Then don't swim. This is nice. Next time. See how the rock patch is.
It's as if it's
Totally-
thermocol milk.
Totally black.
Yeah.
And look at the beauty.
That is deep. Here deep. There we can swim here.
Yes, I know that. I used to come here only.
Okay.
Starting now, we are going inside the water. My kids are enjoying too much. So water is chill cold
Yeah. Not much, but yeah, quite.
and you are enjoying.
There are even fish over there.
Yeah, there are fishes. So it's a normal thing and there is nothing wrong or good thing. See, that is deep one, huh, there. You can try to jump from here also. You can stand here and then you can dive.
Let me just hold up my
Okay. Adjust the time, adjust the body temperature and then you can try. Wow, birds are singing again.
for us.
It's their daily habit.
काही पाण्याच्या खाली बघू शकतो.
हा बघू शकतोस तू. This is very don't do anything.
Oh.
Just close your eyes. No. Try to stop the breath and then you can go downside. Open the eyes, no problem at all. Try. No need to touch. Directly you go down. That will be a practice. Just try to see. Just go deep inside there, right side. You can hear the water. You can hear the water in a different manner. And कुठे पण there is no issues. See, I can see some people came with some cold drink bottles in this jungle and they are keeping everything as it is. So the main thing is that this is jungle and nobody is going to clean here. This is not a municipal area. So I will request those people who are coming here, whatever you bring, please carry back the things. Whatever dust, whatever garbage you are creating, please do not keep here because this is totally a jungle area and nobody is here to clean it up.
पाणी नको उडव.
Wow. Aru, you go ahead. So don't be nearby.
त्या साईडला आहे.
Huh, okay. Go that side because that is not a deep one. So see, you can see here the this sand is coming up, dust is coming up. It means no one comes here. That's the only thing. If people are regular, then I can see the. No, I do not have a machine where I can shoot the bottom of this thing, that you can see how clear the water is. I'll try to show you. Crystal clear water. And Arav is enjoying as well. Vedika, come on, try to dive. Stand on this rock and jump directly. Yes, try now. You will have to learn something. Yes, Aru. Very good, Aru. This is the way you will learn. This is what. This is how. Try to use your. Come here. Come near me. Use the rock. Rest your hands on the rock. And then try to move your legs.
Okay, 1 second.
Use that rock. Don't go nearby her. Now she is diving. So I want to shoot her. This is her first dive from the rock. You can just simply fold your legs and sit there. Water will lift you up. You don't need to worry.
This one.
Dive. Don't worry. First time you will hesitate, and then afterwards you will become a habitual. It will become habitual to you, and then you will do it regularly.
It's quite difficult.
Try it out.
Okay.
Take a small jump. Take a small jump. Very good. So how you feel?
It's quite good. I can.
Yeah. Now you generated a confidence, right?
Yeah.
See, use your body weight. Okay. So once you use the body weight to float, the water will automatically it will lift you up. So try to jump like this. Instead of squeezing body, try to float on the water. Your body, see your body surface should be more when you try to dive. Okay, if you jump like this, then you will go inside. But if you try to drop like this, then that will be a directly go down. Yes, like that. No problem. Try once. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, try as you want. I am not forcing you anything.
I need to jump many times.
Okay, no problem. Keep trying. Wow. Now try to go ahead. Try to jump ahead. Okay, this is the way you will learn. Slowly, slowly you can dive also. It's just a practice. Yes. So guys, this is the 360 view of this jungle. This is protected jungle actually. They have made this jungle to help tigers, leopards, hyena, deers, all other animals. So they will get their ecosystem. They will get food. There is huge green grass, greenery here. There are many monkeys. These are not at this moment at this particular place. There are many monkeys. There are mango trees inside the jungle.
It's not very deep.
There are jamun trees. And I used to enjoy jamun trees. There is mahua plant. We have seen earlier. Is all Adivasi people or the jungle people, they know. Wow, it's a good dive. And while taking photograph and taking shoots, I have encountered something. There is big, very big skin of a snake. Wow.
What? Oh my god, I can see the.
It's a very big skin of a snake. So there are snakes.
Skin.
And the design is beautiful.
Beautiful.
So be careful in this jungle.
I thought you found a snake.
So this is the skin of a snake.
Yeah, in the back. Skin! Just see the scale. So awesome. घेतला पाहिजे. All symmetrical patterns on it.
मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला आजचा व्लॉग आवडला असेल. आज आपला दिवस आपण स्टार्ट केला चांगल्या प्रकारे आणि आता आपण आपला दिवस क्लोज करतोय. वी आर गोइंग बॅक, वी आर हेडिंग बॅक. सो कीप वॉचिंग अवर चॅनल, कीप कमेंटिंग and we like to hear from you about your views. And lastly, subscribe, and thanks for your good support that we have completed our 100 subscribers. So we are looking forward for 1000 subscribers very soon. Thank you very much and have a great day. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Be careful. असू दे, चल आता पाय टाकला पाण्यात तर काय, ये आता पाण्यात पाय टाकलायस तर मग काय. पक्ष्यांचे किती आवाज येत आहेत. मी पण पाण्यात स्लिप झालो. हळू हळू हळू, इथून येते, इथून ये. इथे टाक या ह्याच्यात पाय, ये इथून अशी. बी केअरफुल. मी पण स्लिप झालो आज. मला वाटलं स्लिप झाली तू. चल ये स्टॅबिलाइज युअर सेल्फ. त्या दगडावर नको पाय टाकू. हां तिथे टाक, इथून ये.
गेला मातीत पाय.
कम बी केअरफुल हिअर. हां, गवतामध्ये स्नेक असण्याचे चान्सेस असतात.
गवत आहे.
हां ते इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ ग्रास ओनली. वी कॅन शूट ना रिटर्न वे. We are going back. वाव, सनराईज आले तर किती बरं वाटतंय.
आता पाणी सुटेल ना का?
हळूहळू सुकणार. एवढं कमी होईल पाणी की ती यू कॅनॉट स्विम इन दॅट वॉटर. पॉन्डमध्ये ते भरतात पाणी. आय नो सम. ते तिथे टायगर्स आणि लायन्स आहेत ना, त्यांच्या सी हिअर देर इज वन स्मॉल पॉन्ड. इथे करून ठेवलं आहे त्यांनी. इथे ब्युटिफुल वाटतंय सनराईज.
इकडेच पडतोय फक्त
हे असे मग टँकर्स आणून ते पाणी भरून ठेवतात काही ठिकाणी. सो दिस जंगली ॲनिमल्सना ते पाणी मिळतं प्यायला. स्नेक्सला पाण्याची गरज तशी पडत नाही. सी कसं आहे माहिती आहे, तू जेव्हा मॉर्निंगमध्ये इथे येतो, नेचर एवढा सुंदर आहे, इथे दव पडत असते. ते ही जी मोठी झाडं आहेत ना, त्याच्यावरती दव बनते, ती मग खाली पडते, ती छोट्या झाडांवर पडते. मग तेच पाणी हे थांब बबून आहे इथे वरती.
बबून
बडबडू नका, ह्या झाडावरतीच आहे, फक्त लक्ष ठेवा. दिसतोय बसलेला, केवढा मोठा आहे बघ. एकदम शांत बसलाय तो.
सारे आहेत वरती पण आहेत.
अरे बापरे, झाडावर मंकीच मंकी आहेत. हे बबून आहेत हे.
बघितलं.
ओ जम्प. तो बघ केला. म्हणून सांगतो नको नको म्हणून सांगतो, जंगलामध्ये आवाज करायचा नाही.
अरे तिथे त्याने तो काय करतोय.
असो, चल आपण आपल्या रस्त्याला लागूया. वी आर गोइंग बॅक. कम ऑन. सुंदर ऊन आलेलं आहे आणि ह्या उन्हातून आम्हाला चालायला किती मजा वाटते. आणि वरती मुंकी आहेत, जे त्यांचे झाडं पानं फुलं खाऊन एन्जॉय करतात. वा, पक्ष्यांची गाणी. सुंदर पक्ष्यांचं गुंजन चालू आहे आणि ते भरपूर ताडाची झाडं आहेत. So we are ending our vlog here. Good day.